Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to make the crochet hook holder or everything you can do for the crochet. Or you can do this for back to school for kids to hold their pencil, marker and other things that they need for school. The size of this I have 15 inches wide side and the long side is 19 inches long. And I have the main side and the lining side, right side facing together. So the long side, the side of the 19 inches, I'm going to cut 5.5 inches. So mark 5.5 inches on the 19 inches long. Mark that so you can draw the line. And from there, you're going to pin both of them. Because I have the lining and the main side together, facing in. And pin it before you cut so then you can sew after. You're going to sew the long way 1/4 inch and the long way 1/4 inch for this small side. On the wide side here, you're going to fold it in half so I can round the corners. This fold here, the long fold is here, and the 15 inches I folded in half, and so I can round the corners of this with the 2 inches. A lot of people told me that they saw someone copy this ruler and sew on Amazon. If you happen to see it, please let them know that my channel doing this for the people so they don't have to buy, and they doing that is not right. Okay, so you have this one, the right side like this. All right, let me sew the small side together and then we'll move on to this one. So this small piece right here, after I sew, I'm going to inside out. I just want to let you know that I am really appreciate your support and your kindness to my channel. Every time I upload a new video, I seen the same people come in and support me. On top here, you're gonna top stitch this side. So everyone, after I top stitch on this side, I'm gonna bring the lining piece back. Remember the round area, I face it up, and this is the straight area. I'm going to mark 4 inches, and on this side 4 inches. When you place this piece on the line that you mark, face the top stitch line up. You can use the pin or you can use the clip and pin or clip on both sides. And then I have cut in here a 25 inches ribbon. Now there's 2 options you can do. If you want to wrap around and stuck the ribbon inside, then you can place the 2 ends right at the side of the fabric and sew. If you want to tie the 2 together, then you face the fold on the side of the fabric. I clip it like this. Okay, one on the side like that, and then I'm going to place the main side on top and make sure the round area is matching with the round area here. To leave at the straight area right here, you're gonna leave about 3 inches open, so a quarter of an inch seam allowance. You're gonna sew here all the way to the round area, go all the way down to here, go all the way down to here. Leave this open so you can inside out. So today my sister's birthday, everyone. So I'm thinking about in the morning we going to get something for her, and then I wait until the kid get up and bring them to pick up some food or bring it over to her house. And I have to watch out what I get for her too, because she is very particular about the cake and the food, because she doesn't eat a lot, she eats little, and she doesn't eat breakfast either. So in the morning when she got up, she just have a little coffee with a lot of milk, and she eat little lunch, and the afternoon she eat either watermelon or any fruit, and she doesn't eat dinner. Just that, just the vegetable or fruit for the afternoon. And she keep herself really, really healthy and in good shape. And plus, she doesn't have kid too. For me, after I have kid, I cannot go back to like where I was before. Before I have kid, I weigh only 105, and now I weigh 115. So that 10 pounds never go away, and all that 10 pounds is right on my belly. It's ridiculous. I cannot get rid of it, and I'm trying to do what she doing, but it's very hard because my husband worked during the day, and then when he come home in the afternoon, I like to eat dinner with him. And so uh, I don't know. I try to eat the watermelon or any melon or banana in the afternoon. But sometimes my husband get off from work, and then he bring home food, and he want everyone to eat together. Very hard. So after I sew around and I left about 3 inches open, I'm gonna go and trim the corners. And at the space that when I left it open, I'm going to fold it before I inside out, just in case that sometimes the fabric is frayed. After you fold and you inside out, it won't fray. So like that, and put your hand in there, take the whole thing out. After you inside out, you're gonna press all around and iron the whole thing. So on this side, after you pull, press and iron, you're going to top stitch. So after I top stitch on this straight line, I'm going to bring this up and flap this side over to here and make sure that it's going to here. I want to clip this down. Now we're going to mark from the left. You gotta mark in 2.5 inches. From the right end, 2.5. And then on this side, 2.5. So I marked each pockets of 1 inch after 2.5. So that is 8 times. So that 8 inches. And then the last one, I still have 1.5 inches left. You can divide into 2, or you can leave it like that at 1.5 inch. And if you want to make this for the pencil marker, then you can do 2 inches pockets. Then you have to mark 4 times. Whatever you decide to do for the pockets, it's up to you. So if you mark 2 inch okay, 3 inches okay, 1.5 inches is okay. It's all up to you, everyone. I like to do the 2.5, and then each one after that, the last two is 3/4 of an inch, 3/4 of an inch, and then 8 times of 1 inch. All right, so, and again, the pockets divide, it's up to you. Wherever you want to make, big or small, it's all up to you, everyone. I have to make it clear because people will be like, why is so complicated to divide a pocket? It's not at all. As long as you divide however you want. Just so you know, everyone, I do have video upload every other day or sometime every day. It depends on how many people wanted me to make something. I make stuff for orders, everyone. So if I doing something and I think that you may like it, I will share the video. But I have a lot of orders come in, and whenever I have time, I share with you in the video. I'm gonna go from here, so all the way, go around here, go into here, go into this side, and sew all in here. And then after that, you're gonna sew from here, and then go up to sew, and then go here, so each line here, so the individual pockets. If you don't get to watch my video in the morning, everyone, I usually upload the video at 9 o'clock in the morning. If you don't get time to watch my video, make sure you check in the afternoon or whenever you have time. Just check my video, everyone, because I have a lot of people asking me like, I can't wait to see your new video. But that video they're watching, it been out for like a years ago. So make sure you, I don't know, YouTube sometime that send out a notification, let my subscriber know when I upload the new video. But there's a lot of people say that they didn't get the notification. So just so you know that maybe you can check your bell notification, turn them on. So every time I upload the video, maybe you get notified. It depends on, I don't know, sometimes it doesn't go through. But try your best to click again for the bell notification so don't miss any of my video, everyone. Okay, I finished, everyone, and I sew pockets here. So two big one on the side, and each side have two another pockets here that's shorter like this. So you can put so many, and this is good for the kid back to school too, so they can put, let me put it there for you to see the scissor. If they want to put scissor, they can. And then anything they want. I'm just doing this to show you. Okay, and then some marker put in around here, pencil, pen, marker, anything they want they can put in around here with the pockets all around. And then with the small pocket here, they can put other thing in here too, whatever they want. I'm just give you an idea, so just put all the way here. Okay, and with us, with a crochet holder, you can keep the scissor in here, and then you don't need this. Then you put the cutter on one side here, and then the ruler on one side here, and then you're going to put the, and then the big giant pocket here, you can put whatever in here. I don't know, but I'm just giving you an idea what to do. So just put, just in case, just put it in here to show you. but I don't know, people have so many things too. And then the crochet hook, big giant one, go in here like that. And then with this pocket, when you plan to do something like that, you put in the top one first and then the second later, so that way it can show more. Pocket in here too. Okay, and then when you're going somewhere, get everything and wrap and go. So you fold this on the top here, and then you roll this. The reason why I don't do the thing that open and then you tie, that's crazy. You don't need that. That's a lot. And then you fold like this. You go onto this side, you wrap this around, and then you stuck this under. Yeah, you don't need to tie like that. All done. So easy. It just take you a few minutes, and then you have something to sell or to give it to the crochet people that who crochet. They're gonna be so happy to receive this. So that's it, everyone. That very easy to make, to sell, to give to someone, or to use this for yourself, or even do this for the kid to put their marker and anything they need for the school. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all channel members, all subscribers, and returning to subscriber. Thank you for all channel members, returning subscribers, and new subscribers that support both of my channel. If you want to support my other channel, check in my description box the link that I shared in there. And if you have any picture that you want to share, send it to me. Feel free to send it to my email that I share in my description box also. Love you. Take care. Stay safe, everyone.